Made it! Hopefully the enemies on this side are worthy of our combined might. Finally, opponents who look. Let's go!
Awaken, dormant scale.
World cleansing dragon.
The name of Landep will, forged in ice, never falters!
Until everything burns to ashes! This is more than a battle. Set to the seas of flame!
Is that all? Heaven surge. Rise!
No time to lose. Conflict is pitiless.
I will claim victory for fight to live!
Times are changed.
Set to the seas of flame! Attack detected.
The times are changed. A foregone conclusion.
Show no mercy.
Awaken, dormant scales.
World cleansing dragon.
This ends here.
Fight to live!
The strength. Heaven surge.
Here is thunder.
This ends here.
That's 2 down. Not a. We fought them together, so naturally I can only take half the credit. Don't worry, Mighty is strong. Did you see the look? Nothing is more important. Now that we've sent him away, he can. We've been both friends and foes since the day we met.
Why are you just standing there? Giving up already?
What do you know? We're talking. Let's go. The competition might not be the real goal.
What is the cloud song? I'm with you.
I command. Whoa, that's impressive. Huh? When did you get over there?
I told you before you don't know the lay of the land in this city. And just so you know, I'm at sea.
Wow! Seems like luck is on your side. Our path was a...
Assuming you can get across. Do you...
doesn't look like ordinary lightning, which means mindlessly running across would spell certain death. There happens to be a prophecy tablet here, though. Let's go take... Great. How's it going?
Mere lightning won't stop a warrior in Castle Kremnos.
Whoa! You're nimbler than I thought.
Worry about yourself. There's an endless abyss below us. That's more like it.
You practically have 9 lives, and on top of that, you're lucky. I'm almost jealous. That was a close one. Thankfully, we both have a remarkable... So, this is a lounge. It feels out of place. Maybe this is where all the warriors in the past took their breaks during competitions. This is... doesn't look like the rest of the things that were left behind. I can't read the runes either. There you go. Don't worry. We have an expert next. Oh, that does remind. Did Amphorius... Maybe your arrival... There's a thick layer of... You've likely seen they look the same as any... Wait! Don't leave yet. My intuition tells... It's a gadget that records your voice. People don't like... Why don't you hold on to it? It makes a sound when you shake it. Should make for an interesting collectible. Give you something to show for your trip. Well, we've turned over every nook and cranny. It's time to move on. Wait, what's that creature doing? It's trying to stop us. It even killed its own comrade. They truly have no honor. The road ahead is blocked by the iron ball. Can you call upon Orynyx's miracle again?
Gorgeous.
What did I tell you? Relax. Don't worry. Not bad. Something feels different about you already. Why don't you give it another go?